Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am sharing a most requested recipe around Bakra Eid. I am roasting a goat leg, so let's go and make it happen. So today I am using a leg of baby goat, but you can use lamb as well. Then I took all the extra fat from top of it, and then I just cut the hanging bone part, and I did it just to fit this leg in my cooking pot. Then I took a pointed knife and I poked the hole all around this leg. You can use fork as well, but the insertion which we get from the pointed knife will help this leg to get all the marination go inside. Then I put this leg on the side and take a mixing bowl, adding some yogurt in there with some ginger and garlic and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then I'll add the rest of the seasoning, which is some red chili powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala, a roasted and crushed cumin, salt, nutmeg and mace powder, and cardamom powder, and some green chili paste. And start mixing everything well. I forgot to add something which will act as tenderizer, so I'm adding raw papaya paste, but you can use meat tenderizer powder as well. Mix everything well with the yogurt, and then I transfer the half of the marination on the leg roast and start massaging my leg and give it like at least 5-10 minutes. Rub it all around, then turn the leg and then add the remaining marination and again give it a good massage for 5-10 minutes. Now it's time to put this to marinate, and then for that just cover and let it marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours or preferably overnight. When it's time to cook your leg roast, I am doing in 2 different steps. First, I will take this and transfer this marinated leg roast into a cooking pot and steam it until it's fully cooked. So I added all the marination and around half a cup of water and some cooking oil. Now, if your the goat leg have more fat in there, so you can skip the oil. Then I cook it for like around 20-25 minutes, and then with the help of 2 spoons, I flip it the other way. So all the marination which is stick to the leg will cook through, and then I cover it again, and all together this will take like 45 minutes to an hour, or until your leg is completely cooked from inside. Then I transfer this cooked leg into a baking pan, and then I am putting it in the oven until it gets very nice golden top, the roasted top. I'm just opening the grill part, the broiler part of the oven, and took it out until it gets the nice golden top. For the rest of the liquidy marination, I transfer it into a cooking pot and cook it until it gets thick and nice and chutney kind of look, so I can serve it as a side. And for the side, I'm serving some fried peas with salt and pepper and some roasted potatoes as well. So I just transfer this roasted goat leg into a platter, and then I arrange all those fried peas and roasted potatoes, and I serve some boiled eggs as well. So Chatpatti spicy leg roast is ready to serve. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.